Welcome back. You are watching Bollywood This Week. While Team India was busy squashing its opponents at Mohali, stars became fans and all hell broke loose as we sent Pakistan packing. Here's how Bollywood came together in blue to support the men in blue.
The high-voltage Indo-Pak cricket match had the entire country drowned in the colour blue, including Bollywood celebs, most of whom headed straight to Mohali for all the live cricketing action. Leading the pack was Aamir Khan, dressed in blue. He cheered for Team India along with wifey Kiran.
मुझे लगता है कि बॉलीवुड के कई सितारे आप वहाँ देखेंगे उस दिन. मैं तो ज़रूर रहूँगा चीयर करने के लिए टीम को और देखते हैं क्या होता है. मुझे लगता है इंडिया जीतेगी.
A host of other B-Town stars like Preeti Zinta, Vivek Oberoi, Kunal Kohli, Anurag Basu were also spotted in the VIP lounge. Preeti came aptly dressed in a white salwar with tricolour bangles.
All the best, India.
While Vivek was seen enjoying the match with his new bride Priyanka.
इंडिया की टी-शर्ट पहन के जा रहा हूँ. I'm hoping that we win this match. It means a lot to every Indian fan like me.
Then there were others like Dino Moria, Madhur Bhandarkar and Sunil Shetty.
जीतेगा भाई जीतेगा, इंडिया जीतेगा. हो गई तेरी बल्ले बल्ले हो जाएगी बल्ले बल्ले. इंडिया ही जीतेगा.
Who gave colour blue a miss but was seen enjoying every minute of the game. Arbaz reached the stadium wearing the Indian team jersey along with his two sisters. Meanwhile, starlet Mukta Godse posed stylishly for the camera, even as she tried carrying off the de-glam look and failed miserably. But then there were some who could not make it all the way to Mohali. Our very own Khilari Kumar watched the match with his friend cum producer Sajid Nadiadwala at his Juhu residence. While Ajay Devgan and director Rohit Shetty were on the sets for Call of Duty, they made sure it wasn't all work and no play. The cast and crew caught all the live action on the sets of their film. Meanwhile, Tushar, Asin, Anushka and Ranveer were also spotted wearing the Team India t-shirts to show the support. All in all, the day India beat Pakistan, Bollywood was there in letter and spirit to support Team India, wearing different colours but same emotion.
I've got extra t-shirts for that, so I have to go there and watch the finals inshallah, and the kids want to go and see it.
Meanwhile, Salman Khan could not make it to Mohali, but he made sure he got all the cricketing action from the comfort of his plush home in Mumbai. And this was Sallu's dabang reaction following India's historic win against Pakistan.
Very unpredictable sport. कभी किसी को कैच मिल जाता है, हिट विकेट हो जाता है या फिर रन आउट हो जाता है, वेस्ट ऑफ विकेट्स. बट we won. I'm really happy. 100 करोड़ की आबादी के अंदर हम 11-12-15 लोग आए खेलने के लिए. And obviously Indians हाल ही में था तो everybody is going to be cheering for India. So it shows a lot of courage also there.
And this is what Sallu had to say following India's historic win against Pakistan.
पाकिस्तान बैटिंग करने के लिए आई थी. जो फर्स्ट 15-20 मिनट होता है, अरे बाप रे बाप. एक अनलकी बॉल था युवराज के लिए. बेचारा फुल टॉस बॉल था बेचारा. My sister Preeta must be really upset because she's a friend of Yuvraj and she really likes him. But Arbaz is a very big cricket fan. और आज अरबाज बहुत खुश.
क्या होने वाला है, इंडिया जीतेगी और क्या होगा.
And joining Sallu in cheering Team India was his latest poster girl Sonakshi Sinha. And as India trounced Pakistan, Sallu just could not hold his excitement. He rushed to Shilpa Shetty's pub Royalty for an elaborate after party that went on till the wee hours in the morning.
Really happy for the Indian cricket team and wish you all the best for the final.
While Salman chose to party hard at Shilpa's pub Royalty, King Khan celebrated India's win against Pakistan at Mannat with close friends and family.
Getting too much crowd, too many people, too many children who wanted to go. और मैंने किसी से पूछा नहीं था कि वहाँ पे आ सकें. Otherwise I should have asked Preeti कि हम वहाँ पे आ जाते, पहले प्रोग्राम बनाते तो. But बहुत लोग हैं जो साथ में देखना चाहते थे. So I don't think it would have been right कि हम जाएं वहाँ पर और फिर hotels ढूंढें. Much better to watch it from home.
And finally, when India came out triumphant against Pakistan, Shah Rukh just couldn't hold it back. He came out for this photo op as he waved to his fans and joined in their celebration. While Shah Rukh couldn't make it to the stadium for the semis, he did share his big plans for the finals.
Second innings अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. Second innings अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. मुझे कौन रोकेगा वानखेड़े में.
that's a wrap-up on Bollywood this week. But here's wishing Team India all the luck for the finals. Do tune in next week for yet another round of all the Bollywood action.
So that's it. Now don't forget, all the action from the Cricket Stock Exchange will be coming to you right through the IPL, right here on the Business of Cricket. Now Bollywood last night joined the big party, from Shah Rukh Khan to Hrithik Roshan. A lot of celebrities joined the common man to celebrate India's win. Take a look.
Absolutely magnificent. Todi finishes off in style. A magnificent strike into the crowd. India lift the World Cup.
Like the whole of India, we are also happy. I'm saying the D for Dhoni and the whole team. And congratulations to Sachin Tendulkar.
And several patriotic beat-down folks.
He's an inspiration to all the youth, to all the young players, and that man at this age of 36, 37, he is unbelievably playing it.
Amazing, amazing. Congratulations to Team India. Congratulations to everyone.
Amazing. It's an amazing victory, amazing feeling. What a day for India.
Fantabulous. We won the World Cup. Raising the chant of victory. Reiterating the mantra. We are the champions.